Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Neptune. Rules Pisces. Exaltation not yet established. Detriment Virgo. Fall not yet established. Jif. Trident of Poseidon, the sea god. Represents spiritual or escapist urge. Anatomy. The spinal column, nerve fibers, feet, pineal gland, telepathic functions, white corpuscles of the blood, kinesthetic functions. Keyword: intuition. General rules: maritime matters, liquids, music, movies, stage and television, glamour, dreams, illusion, delusion, spirituality, ideals, mystique, hunches, and the things we take deeply for granted in life without questioning. Rules: fog, petroleum, mystery, anesthetics, flattery, intangibles, fragrances, second sight, love of poetry, color and dancing. Neptune governs drugs and drug addiction, alcoholism, hypochondria, sleepwalking, trances, hypnosis, immateriality and abnormality. Neptune's action is subtle, gradual and sometimes insidious. It is the higher octave of Venus and the second of the transcendental planets. Where you find Neptune in the chart is where you tend to deceive yourself and/or others. It is also where you seek the ideal. 6th house, physical health. It shows the state of your body, health, habits, unconscious mind, service given, work, pets. Natural sign is Virgo. Natural ruler is Mercury. Keyword is duty. 6th house is a house of substance and earth. Quality is Caden house. General. The 6th house shows your work, health and habits. This house shows employment, employees, tenants, servants, pets and dependents. This house shows the service given to others, your common problems, your clothes and how you wear them, hygiene, food and diet, illness and all photo conditions. Affect your health. This house shows aunts and uncles, self-regulating and your unconscious mind. Here work and health are linked together. Neptune in the 6th house. The planet Neptune in the 6th house in your chart means that your health will likely be a concern, aiding or abetting your creative projects. At worst, you may suffer from a chronic illness, allergies, or recurrent illness. These diseases are likely to be more pronounced as a child. The good news is that your adult life is less likely to be unhealthy. You are likely to be sensitive to foods and alcohol, and you need to be very careful with your diet. You should make sure that all food utensils are clean and that you eat only the freshest food available, avoiding too much animal fat. Your acute sensitivity may also be linked to medications, including medical drugs. You are also likely to benefit from moments of seclusion, perhaps time spent with nature. If you're self-employed, you're likely to be in control of your own environment. However, if you work in an office, you should warn your colleagues and employees that you are sensitive to your environment in order to keep your work areas clean and hygienic. Register to see free online horoscopes. You register quickly via Facebook or by email. Step 2. Enter your date of birth. Find the city of birth according to the syntax: city, state, country. Check your date of birth. Step 3. Your date of birth information will be assigned to an ID code. You use this ID code to view the horoscope online in different tabs.
Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please tell me. If you want free horoscopes, please watch below video.
Thank you.
See you in the next video.